Hello everyone! Today we present to you the Srhythm NC headset, a true gem for an amazing audio experience. Come on, hold on tight! You are going to be amazed. Who is this product for? The Srhythm NC headset is aimed at all music, gaming, movie, and entertainment enthusiasts in general. Whether you are a passionate music lover, an avid gamer, or simply someone who enjoys an immersive audio experience, the Srhythm NC is made for you. With its comfortable design, active noise cancellation, wireless connectivity, and long battery life, it is perfectly suited for travelers, remote workers, students, sports enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to enjoy superior sound quality wherever they go. So, don't wait any longer and dive into an exceptional sound world with the Srhythm NC headset. Imagine yourself in a world where ambient noises are reduced. 2. With the Srhythm NC, this is possible thanks to its active noise cancellation technology. Whether you're on a plane, in the subway, or in a car, or surrounded by a cheering crowd, you will be cut off from the outside world. And that's not all. The speakers of this headset provide natural and clear sound, thanks to the ANC noise cancellation. With 360-degree, you will experience an insane sound experience where every note and every bit makes you vibrate. And now, let's talk about battery life. The Srhythm NC allows you to enjoy your music without noise for 50 hours on a single charge, thanks to its competitive $1,000 mAh battery. And if you ever run out of battery, no worries, just plug it in with the included audio cable and keep enjoying it. In addition to its amazing sound, the Srhythm NC is super comfortable. With its removable ear cushions and foldable design, this headset is lightweight, compact, and ultra-durable, weighing only 104 grams. You will even forget you are wearing it. But wait, there's more. The Srhythm NC is perfect for gamers, binge watchers, and video calls, thanks to its ultra-low latency mode of just 50 ms. Hop, press the button 3 times and you're ready to experience an amazing gaming experience with no lag. And now, let's talk about customer service. With Srhythm, you have a 20-month warranty on each product. We are here for you, always ready to listen to your feedback and improve what we do. Your satisfaction is our priority, so ready to feel the sound of nature. Join the Srhythm family and discover an amazing audio experience. Click the link in the description to get your Srhythm NC headset now and enjoy an exclusive discount for our first customers. This is an offer not to be missed. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages. First, the advantages of the Srhythm NC headset. First, its active noise cancellation, ANC, provides total immersion by reducing unwanted ambient noise, whether in public transport, on a plane, or in noisy environments. Second, it offers superior sound quality. The speakers provide high-resolution audio reproduction, allowing you to enjoy every sound detail with exceptional clarity. Additionally, they have a long battery life. With a $1,000 mAh battery, the Srhythm NC headset offers up to 50 hours of noise-free listening on a single charge, and a quick charge of just 10 minutes provides 3 hours of battery life. 4. Optimal comfort. The soft ear cushions and foldable support arms ensure a comfortable and personalized fit, allowing you to wear the headset all day without discomfort. 5. Connection versatility. The Srhythm NC headset can be used wirelessly via Bluetooth, but also in wired mode thanks to its 3.5mm stereo audio cable, providing flexibility in use. Now let's talk about the drawbacks. The noise cancellation is not complete. Although the ANC technology of the Srhythm NC headset reduces ambient noise, it does not guarantee complete elimination of human voices. In very quiet environments, the effectiveness of noise cancellation may be slightly reduced. Secondly, there is a limitation of the microphone in Bluetooth mode. The built-in microphone only works in Bluetooth mode, which means it is not available in wired mode. This can be a disadvantage if you want to use the headset for calls with the wired function. 3. It requires a charge to use the ANC and AUX features. When the battery is depleted, the ANC and AUX modes are not available, which means you will need a charge to fully enjoy all the features of the Srhythm NC headset. Despite these few drawbacks, the Srhythm NC headset offers an exceptional audio experience with its active noise cancellation, superior sound quality, and long battery life. It remains an ideal choice for those looking to enjoy immersive and comfortable sound in all their daily activities. Thank you for following us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything, and leave a comment below. See you very soon for more sound adventures.